Studying the endocrine system and hormones was probably one of the most daunting tasks I'd ever faced. And I felt necessary to use every tool possible to me that I could. Um, my primary tool throughout studying, as will probably be noted, is was the A&P website. It's what's helped me put everything into a visual relation to how things actually move and work. The book has helped a lot, but particularly with this part, was very key to me to help me with this section. Uh, I'm going to show this video. It's going to talk about the different types of hormones, the structures of them, um, and also talk a little bit about uh, their chemical makeup and how they cross the membrane. So I'm going to play this and uh, point some things out as it's going.
Recall that a hormone is a chemical messenger that is released into the bloodstream. Most hormones can be grouped into one of three classes of chemicals: peptides, amines, and steroids. Click the word peptides. Hormones made from chains of amino acids range in size from small peptides of just 3 amino acids to small proteins containing more than 20 amino acids. For simplicity, we will refer to all of them as peptides, a convention used by endocrinologists. Most hormones are peptides. They are water-soluble. We will study synthesis of the peptide insulin in detail in the next pages. Click the word amines. Amine hormones are derived from the amino acid tyrosine. Dopamine, norepinephrine, and epinephrine are called catecholamines. They are formed by a series of chemical reactions that modify tyrosine in successive steps. Catecholamines are water-soluble. We will study the synthesis of epinephrine in detail in the next pages. Two iodine-containing molecules, thyroxine, or T4, and triiodothyronine, or T3.
I want to pause it right there because I just want to talk about the chemical structure of it, and I want to just point out that it really helped me to visualize things and how they were able to travel through the body, pass through systems in the body, and with the hydroxyl groups here, you got the amine group here. It just really helped me relate to it because you can talk about what it is all day long, and you can click on it and have definitions of it like this, which is all great. But when you see this and have the understanding that Miss Guess has beat into us, things start to really make sense of how they can be transferred through the body.
Hormone. Each is produced as iodine is added to thyroglobulin. T4 and T3 are lipid-soluble. We will study the synthesis of thyroid hormone in detail in the next pages. Click the word steroids. Steroid hormones are derived from the molecule cholesterol. Steroids are formed by a series of chemical reactions that modify cholesterol in successive steps. Steroids are lipid-soluble. We will study synthesis of the steroid cortisol in detail